This coconut mug cake and carrot cake mug cake is perfect for a small dessert without a lot of cleanup. Both of these mug cakes are extremely customizable and they are ready within a minute. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a small microwave-safe cup, add all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and a dash of salt. Stir with a fork, breaking up any flour clumps, mixing all the ingredients together. Add milk, vegetable oil, coconut extract, and shredded coconut. Stir with a fork, mixing all of the ingredients together, making sure to get any of the dry ingredients at the bottom mixed in. Microwave for around 55 seconds or until the top of the cake is baked. Top with frosting, whipped cream, or cut the calories and eat it plain. This coconut mug cake is really good topped with toasted coconut. Check out the video in the link above to learn how to toast coconut in the oven or the microwave. In a microwave-safe cup, add all-purpose flour, brown sugar, baking powder, a dash of salt, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, ground nutmeg, and ground ginger. Stir with a fork, breaking apart any flour clumps until all the ingredients are mixed together. Feel free to add more spices if you would like a spicier carrot cake. Add milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and shredded carrots. Stir with a fork, mixing all of the ingredients together, making sure to get any of the dry ingredients at the bottom mixed in. Feel free to add raisins or nuts to this carrot mug cake. Microwave for around 55 seconds or until the top of the cake is baked. Top with cream cheese frosting, whipped cream, or cut the calories and eat it plain. Check the video description below for a small cream cheese frosting recipe for mug cakes. This carrot cake mug cake is really good topped with crushed pecans. If you love mug cakes, check out a ton of other mug cake recipes like this red velvet mug cake in my mug cake playlist in the link above or in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.